welcome back to my channel Vanessa. It's all about beauty and grace. I hope you guys are doing good. In today's video I'm going to review, or I'm going to use a very interesting product which is basically a soap pro. So I don't know how many of you are aware of this term soap pro. तो इट वॉज वेरी वायरल, लाइक मैंने देखा है बहुत सारी मेकअप सेलिब्रिटीज़ को और मेकअप आर्टिस्ट को, स्पेशली इन हॉलीवुड, like they used to do this trick while they do their eyebrows, and it got so viral in TikTok, in normal videos. तो मुझे लगा कि पहले आई वाज लाइक कि यार ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, मतलब एक साबुन को लेके वो लोग आईब्रोज बना रहे हैं, एंड दैट लुक्स टू फनी टू मी. So I was like, no, fine, this is too like this looks too messy. And then recently in India they launched a soap bro. So previously they used to create the bros with the help of a soap, कोई भी normal साबुन हो, like Dove हो, Lux हो या Peers हो. So they used to do like that. But recently in India they launched a makeup bro soap stylist kit, so which is from the brand Makeup Revolution, and I am currently obsessing with this brand. मुझे ब्रांड बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, एंड बिकॉज फर्स्टली दे आर वेरी रिजनेबल, एंड सेकेंडली देयर पैकेजिंग इज़ बॉम्ब. लाइक अगर प्राइस ज़्यादा भी हो प्राइस, तब भी यार करता है कि ठीक है, एटलीस्ट पैकेजिंग के लिए बनता है यार, एक प्रोडक्ट में खरीद लेती हूँ. तो आई गॉट द प्रोडक्ट. हाउ द आउटर पैकेजिंग लुक्स लाइक. दिस इज़ वेरी रिफ्लेक्टिव, सो यू कैन सी एवरीथिंग, दैट्स व्हाई it's getting too reflected. So this is a Makeup Revolution soap styler, sorry. And once you open the package, this looks like this. This is really very cool. You can see it's written Revolution, Makeup Revolution. This is soap styler. The packaging is bomb. It's rose gold kind of packaging with a metallic mirror finish, and when you open it, of course you get a mirror, and you guys know how much I love every product which has a mirror, which is amazing, because बहुत easy हो जाता है, बहुत compact हो जाता है जब आप इसको carry करते हो. And this is how the product looks like. This is how the product looks like. This is basically this is a soap, and this is the brush which will help you to get that fluffy thick brows, full of fluffy thick brows. So yes, this is how the packaging looks like. So what happens when you use soap bro is that आपका bro जो होता है ना, जैसे मेरा natural bro है, this is what my natural bro is. I haven't done anything, neither I have done my eyebrows. I have just put a moisturizer and just kajal lipstick, that's it. No makeup, nothing, because I always do my eyebrow first, उसके बाद मैं मेरा makeup लगाती हूँ. So this is how it looks like. And this is my natural eyebrows. Well, my natural eyebrows is also good. I won't say it is bad, but still एक होता है ना, like I love to do eyebrows just the way I love using blush. तो मुझे eyebrow बनाना बहुत पसंद है, तो I make sure I use eyebrows and I don't like step out of the house. तो मैं eyebrows और लिपस्टिक में लगाती ही हूँ. बाकी लगाओ ना लगाओ वो चलता है भाई, ये दोनों चीज़ मेरी मेकअप में होना ही चाहिए. So what happens when you use soap bro is that it makes your eyebrows looks very fuller, very thick. तो स्पेशली जिनका बहुत थिन आईब्रोज है ना, एकदम थिन आईब्रोज, कोई डेप्थ ही नहीं है, तो दिस इज़ परफेक्ट फॉर देम. यू कैन गो एंड गेट दिस वन. यू कैन यूज़ दिस वन इफ़ यू लव टू डू योर आईब्रोज. वैसे मैंने देखा है बहुत लोगों का आईब्रोज बनाना पसंद है, बिकॉज वो भी एक मेकअप की रूल होता है ना. जैसे आप आईब्रोज बनाते हो, उसके बाद मस्करा लगा के अपने आई लैशेज़ को अच्छी बनाते हो, ऐसे करके यू कैन लाइक makeup always has a step by step. If you follow step by step, your makeup will look flawless. So I thought let's grab this one, because sabun se karna, that's not my cup of tea. So when I look at this, when I saw this got launched in India, and also I got it a flat 50% off, which is undoubtedly a steal deal. तो मैंने बिना आँख बंद करके मैंने खरीद लिया. तो it price is 750 and I got it 50% off. कितना होता है? I think 350 375 कुछ ऐसा. सो मुझे मिला, तो आई रियली लव इट, बिकॉज 50% में अगर आप खरीदते हो तो डेफिनेटली हाउ द ब्रश लुक्स लाइक. द ब्रश बेसिकली इट्स टू स्मॉल, लाइक बहुत छोटू सा है, इट्स टू टाइनी, बट विल मैनेज समहाउ. जब दिया है तो यूज़ तो करना ही पड़ेगा. तो वी हैव टू स्प्रे अ फ्यू स्प्रिट्स ओवर हियर, एंड देन वी हैव टू स्वैप द ब्रश ऑन द सोप ब्रो, एंड वी हैव टू स्कूप अ बिट, लाइक ऑब्वियसली जितना आपको चाहिए, and then brush it according to the shape of your eyebrows. So yes, let's do this. Yeah, let's do this. So I brought you a bit closer, so don't mind my face. Wैसे I won't say I look too bad. I know I look beautiful even without makeup. And yeah, so this is my no filter, no makeup look. Just kajal and lipstick. Okay, nothing else. Trust me. So yeah, let's just do this. I'm gonna spray a bit fixing spray or anything you have on the brush. So let's do this in the soap roll like this. 1 2 3 4, 3-4 times, and you can see a bit of product with there in the brush. Now I'm gonna do this. So yeah, let's get started. Should I bring a bit close? Yeah, just bring it. Okay, so this is how my eyebrows. I'm just gonna shape it according to the eyebrows, nothing fancy. Okay, so just brush it according to its shape. Okay, do it very light stroke. Okay, so if you press too much of pressure, क्या होता है, a few eyebrows came off, like आ जाता है बाहर, because this is after a brush, right? You should, eye is the most sensitive part, so just do give some light strokes, be light handed. You can see a clear difference, like on my right eyebrows it looks really good, really fluffy, really beautiful, and on the left side it looks normal, like utna bhi define nahi hai, just a normal eyebrow. Actual result, it really do gives a nice result. So I'm really liking it because this looks really fluffy, just the way I want, and I love my eyebrows. Like thoda sa difference to lag hi raha hai yaar, है ना? You can see this looks very flat and this looks a bit bounced back, like that definition like gives a very nice structure shape. अब लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा lift up भी कर दिया है. And this is how the left one looks like without the soap roll. You can see the difference, right? Pretty cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the left part off camera. I'm just coming back. Okay, so I did the left one off camera. You can see the difference. So you can see both looks now same. So I've only used the soap pro, and now, and what you can do is that this looks very natural. Like ये उतना भी कुछ वो नहीं लग रहा है कि like too over the top, over the board. It looks very natural. So if you want, you can keep it as it is, and you can just do your makeup and you're just good to go. आपको अलग से आईब्रो नहीं लगाना चाहिए, लाइक लगाना नहीं पड़ेगा इफ़ यू जस्ट डू इट, बिकॉज दिस लुक्स रियली नेचुरल एंड रियली gives a very defined look. It looks very fluffy, very bushy, and I really like the look, both the looks. So I can even go out like this. I don't mind even doing my eyebrows over the top. So this looks really good. पर अगर आप चाहते हो इसके ऊपर वो लगाना आईब्रो पेंसिल प्रो प्रोमेंट और जैसे भी आप आईब्रो करते हो, यू कैन ऑल्सो डू दैट. So I'm going to show you this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the left side like this. I'm not going to use the eyebrow pencil on this one, but on the right side I'm going to use the eyebrow pencil on top of the soap styler. So yes, so अभी मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, so I'm going to take a spoolie. It's a spoolie brush which we all know because we all more or less we all do eyebrows. So this is a spoolie brush. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows a bit so that it looks a bit more defined and in the same shape. So yeah, let's do this. So just doing it with light strokes, just as the shape of my eyebrows. Okay. So this is basically how I do both the eyebrows looking right now after brushing it with a spoolie. Now I'm gonna do the eyebrow. So I'm using this one. L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Expert. This is how it looks like this. It's come in twisted form and it's amazing. So one side you get a spoolie, one side you get the eyebrow product, and it become very handy. You don't have to use separate things. So एक ही product में दोनों ही आ जाता है. And this is how it comes like when it is stuck. So I'm going to use this on the right. Okay, left को मैं ऐसे छोड़ रही हूँ, right को मैं soap के ऊपर I'm using this eyebrow. So yeah, just do it with a very nice light stroke, just as the same of your eyebrows, because I really don't want it looks unnatural or it looks too bold or very awkward. So yeah, so let's do this. This is how my eyebrows looks like after applying the eyebrow, and you can clearly see a huge difference this side with the soap stylist, and this looks really fluffy, bushy, and it's like everyday kind of eyebrow. And this side on the right, it's looking very beautiful, more thicker, more fuller and really giving a very nice define on my eyebrows, and I'm really liking it. I also don't mind going out like this looks really really good and looks very clear difference, right? You can see a clearly difference, like it's not looking very awkward. लग नहीं रहा है क्या क्या गंदा eyebrows बना है. Looking really beautiful, really bold, and I'm liking it. Looking too fuller, too beautiful, and definitely it was a bit sticky initially, but not anymore, but it's okay since it is soap. The texture is a very balmy kind of texture, so definitely thoda sa stickiness lagega hi, but it looks really beautiful. Really loving it. The eyebrows are staying in place. You can also say is as a primer, जैसे हम face में primer लगाते हैं before makeup so that our makeup stays for a long time, वैसे ही this is also kind of a primer so that आपका जो आप जब eyebrow बनाओगे वो same to same वैसा ही रहे अपनी जगह पर. I'm really loving it, and yes, this is how it looks like with and without. I really love it. Like this obviously take a less time और ये थोड़ा सा time consuming है. So अगर आपके पास time है then you can use both the products, और आपके पास बहुत जल्दी है और everyday ऐसे आपको natural से चाहिए और भी ज़्यादा natural, then you can just use the soap styler. That's it. Okay, fine. So since it's looking a bit awkward, like एक थोड़ा सा अच्छा एक थोड़ा सा कम अच्छा, so what I thought that मैं ये भी off camera करके आती हूँ, ठीक है? I did this one also, and now my eyebrows looks better because दोनों ही size same लग रहा है. But आपने देखा है पहले में कि how my eyebrows used to look only using this one, not bad at all, and using this one and this one both looks bomb. तो इट्स अप टू यू आप कैसे चाहते हो, एंड डेफिनेटली चेकआउट कीजिए, एंड इफ़ यू लाइक इट प्लीज़ डोंट हेजिटेट टू गेट दिस वन, स्पेशली इफ़ यू आर समवन who love to do eyebrows. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon, and I will see you guys on my next video with yet another new video. Till then, please do take care, please be safe, love you guys, bye, take care.